Hey guys, we are back with another video. So as usual, the beautiful cornrow braids, that's what I have for you. But this time around, these colorful ones, yeah. So let's look at what we got. So this lady, the stylist did a very great job. This hair cornrow is very neat, and this braid color is kind of common because it's in between the black. It suits any color, like any outfit you want to wear, because there are some colors of braid you wear you make, like the blue pink. It can be choosing, it can be a bit choosing when it comes to outfit. But something about her braid is she didn't make her edges. Yeah, you all know I always advise make your edges, because if you don't make your edges is going to break. Yeah, definitely it's going to break. Like this same lady, another lady, she didn't still do her edges, but she did like one or two places. Yeah, I can remember back in those days where we don't usually do edges. When I was very young, that was like 10, you can remember, like 10 years ago. If you want to know someone that like braiding, like every time the person braids, just look at the edge. You find out that the person doesn't have any edges any longer. Yeah, that's a sign that this person likes braiding. But with the inventory of doing your edges, defining your edges, using gel to coil your edges, so you could barely tell someone that braids all the time, because that's coiling your edges or trying to define your edges helps to retain your edges, prevent it from pulling out. Yeah, like this lady you're seeing now, you can see this is a jumbo corn roll, and you see how her edges are looking so beautiful, long, and the volume is perfect. Yeah, she has a whole lot of volume on her edges, because she usually do her edges, because I have a lot of her clip on my channel. She does her edges a lot. She doesn't joke with it, and that helps to retain her edges. So you all should just adopt the method of always do your edges. It's very important. And this is another lady. I think this should be brown, mixture of different brown. Wow, this white lady, her hair texture, I think she has this type 3B hair texture, because I know it's very difficult to cornrow a white lady hair depending on the hair texture, because I know a lot of them have this type 2 hair texture, and think more of Chinese that have type 1 hair texture. But y'all know the struggle in braiding white ladies' hair. Yeah, sometimes some stylists are very good at what they do. They know how to grip the roots and give them that perfect cornrow. Yeah. So this is another beautiful style. So she can wear it in two ways. Either she wrap it like the bun, or she can as well just let it just fly, just let it fall it out. So this is another style. And remember, I always say, if you must go for this style, make sure you know how to maintain the synthetic coils. Yeah, the synthetic coils is two ways you can achieve it. You can either do the already made one, that is what we usually call it in Nigeria, or you can use your extension to get the one to get yours for yourself. Yeah, so this is knotless. This is not a knotless, this is a knot braid. Yeah, the previous clip that just passed is a knot braid. So I noticed knot braid is phasing out a bit. I could remember back in those days, whenever you meet a stylist that you want to braid your hair, they'll ask you knot braid or knotless braid. Trust me, if you say knotless braid, they kind of like charge you higher. But I think now they now find that almost all clients are going for knotless braid. So now it's almost same price, because trust me, knot braid is gradually phasing out, and knot braid tend to like retain some residue at the base of your hair. I don't know, for me that is what happens, so I don't know about for you. So guys, at this point, let's call it a wrap. So I'm going to let you all to watch this video to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Remember, your girl is always trying to come up with beautiful styles for you. Yes, subscribe. It's very important to subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. Yeah, so watch this video to the end and let me know if there's any style that you love in this video. Drop it in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Keep watching. guys for watching my video to the end. I really appreciate your time and effort. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, very important, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye bye.